Scottish people voted. They decided to keep united with the rest of the United Kingdom. This is their decision. We fully respect that decision, of course. And we also would like to point out that Prime Minister David Cameron said, I could have blocked the referendum in Scotland, but I am a Democrat. And this is something that should be heard in Madrid. What we really want in Catalonia is to have the chance to vote, to have the same possibility. So the Scottish people had the possibility to vote for independence or against independence. And they decided to vote against independence. But the real fact is that they had the chance and the possibility to vote. And this is the key point. This is what we are looking for. In this sense, it is not a setback for us, and for me as President of the Catalan government. It is more important to hold the referendum than the independence. Because my main commitment is to call the referendum and to organize the referendum and to hold the referendum and to let Catalan people vote and decide their political future.